Let's get started with stick welding using the WeldPak 180i MP. Before we get started, make sure the machine is turned off. Now, connect both the electrode holder and ground clamp cable. The 180i MP makes it simple. For most stick applications, install the electrode holder clamp into the positive port on the front of the machine and the ground cable to the negative port. This setup is called DC positive. There are times when DC negative may be needed based on the electrode, but in most applications, it is DC positive. Attach the ground clamp to the workpiece or metal workbench. To achieve a good ground, connect the clamp in an area close to the welding area, free from debris, rust, or paint. Select the correct electrode for the project. Here is a simple chart to help you. Now, open the side panel door and use the procedure guide to determine the power settings based on the electrode and thickness of the metal you are welding. Turn on the welder and select the stick function. Then, adjust the voltage level to the recommended setting. Attach the electrode to the electrode holder. Now, you're ready to weld. But before you strike an arc, make sure you are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel. For more information, view the proper personal protection equipment video produced by Lincoln Electric Retail.